Hi, greetings from Bangladesh. This is Dr. Mohammad Muslem Uddin. I'm an associate professor and the chairman of the Department of Oceanography, University of Chittagong. I'm the founding chairman of Blue Green Foundation Bangladesh, and I'm also the initial board member of Asia Marine Educators Association. So even though lately we have realized that the Earth is a blue planet, it is a water planet. And we are completely dependent on the ocean because it is the biggest source of our oxygen. It regulates the weather and climate. It is supporting more than 80% of our transport, our recreation, our economy, food, and medicine are coming out of the ocean. Even it is only 71%, but it contains 96% of the living space, 80% of the living organisms, and 99% of the biosphere. But the Earth is in danger, and it is a challenge of how the Earth would survive. And that's why we're in movement of climate justice and better world. We are trying to get attention of the mighty countries, responsible authorities who are responsible for global warming, for climate change. That's why we are in procession, we are in protest. And when we say climate change, it is actually ocean change. When we say global warming, it is actually ocean warming. That's why the protest is also going on inside the ocean. The ocean is like the heart of the planet. And this is how our planet look like. Our planet is in danger of pollution and climate change. And it is because of mainly our population, pollution, demand for food, their airspace, energy, medicine, warming and sustainability, uncertainty and risk are increasing very rapidly. And this is putting all of the pressure on the earth and finally, ultimately in the ocean. And this is very true for my country. Bangladesh is one of the densest country, you know, so all of the land-based facilities already over, and the things only we have is the ocean around us. So this is Bangladesh, and it is situated in the northern part of the Bay of Bengal. The country is mainly plainlands, hills, rivers, and oceans, which is completely aquatic. So Bangladesh is a watershed in between Himalaya and the Bay of Bengal. Bangladesh is vulnerable due to climate change and mainly climate cyclones, geomorphological dynamics, sea level rise, inundation, and flood, which is mainly ocean-borne. Bangladesh has fortunately achieved 118,000 square kilometer, which is almost like our land area. So the blue economic development sun is rising with our port and transport facilities, fisheries, ecotourism, gas and minerals, and so on. But the pollution, coral destruction, ocean acidification, over exploitation, unregulated fishing, all of those are making this potentiality under threat. So we are in challenge of control over those resources, utilization of its seabed resources, and tackling all of those threats. And main threats is coming in that our ocean education is very poor. From elementary to secondary and high school, we almost have nothing relevant with ocean education in our curriculum. Like most of the developed countries, you know, has already developed and practicing and incorporated ocean education in their different grades, starting from primary. Fortunately, the government has realized that we need skilled manpower, researcher of the ocean. That's why almost 12 universities in Bangladesh initiated Department of Oceanography, and luckily, Department of Oceanography in my university is the first of this kind offering degrees on ocean. The Bangladesh government has already established a Ocean Research Institute in Cox's Bazar and a specialized maritime university, and the National Blue Economy Cell and Marine Affairs Unit are working to boost up ocean research, education, and policy development. But what we need now is to spread out the ocean literacy. And ocean literacy, you know, is understanding the influence of ocean on human being and the influence of human being on the ocean. So a group of enthusiastic people under my leadership now working since 2011 on science literacy campaign and climate science climate literacy campaign in Bangladesh, educating people starting from the poor to the rich, from all ages and all professionals, to make them aware about the importance of science, climate, and the ocean. So we are going to schools, colleges, clubs, and we are teaching them, we are making them aware, informing them on ocean and climate importance. We are also developing skilled volunteers to work on ocean literacy. We are also working on organizing seminar, symposium, workshop, drawing and debating competition, publishing books and journals in native language. Also, we are working on generation of marine science curriculum from K to 12 class students. So we are connecting with all of the stakeholders available in our country. We are also working on ocean literacy campaign in the school project. We are protesting and celebrating different occasions like Ocean Day, Environment Day, and Biodiversity Day. We are trying to getting attention of the government and industry owners to get their attention about the importance of the ocean, develop regulations, and making the ocean free of pollutions. We are going to the schools, organizing some documentation about the ocean, and we are also organizing some competitions, ocean talent competition, and giving them some prizes to make them attractive. We are also taking the students to the coast and the islands and to inform them about the importance and connectivity of the mangroves of the ocean with our life and livelihood. We are also organizing beach cleanup programs, art competitions, and live ocean mechanism display. We are also publishing the Bengali books in ocean literacy. We are also connected with the international community, Asia Marine Educators Association, attending conferences, and seminars and symposium, working with UNESCO on ocean literacy, Blue Planet Symposium in France, ASCAP of UNESCO in Bangkok, where we also presented the ocean literacy curriculum idea in the first international operational satellite oceanography symposium in USA, connected with all of those international organizations working with ocean literacy. And also, we believe that the decade of the ocean science and its vision can never be successful without making the people aware about the ocean, and its societal outcomes can never be possible without ocean literacy spread out all over the world. So we are working to develop the science we need for the ocean we want for our future generation. And the ocean is unite us. That's why young scientists, mid-career professionals, and climate and atmospheric sciences, everyone should work in collaboration to spread up, to make awareness among the local people, general people. So we are trying to make the people ocean literate, and that would make the responsible citizen. And that is our theme. Thank you so much. Again, greetings from Bangladesh. I trust all of you are well, and we will soon overcome the pandemic, and we will work together to make a better future. Thank you very much, and goodbye.